thought I would also start La Maestra Dance Studio's basic series. So today we're starting with the Salsa Basic. If you'd like to participate with me, all you need to do is grab an object to help you know where to keep your basic on the floor. So without further ado, I shall show you the basic step on the leader's count. Place the object on the floor, somewhere close to where your ankles are. That is your center base, and that will let you know where to meet in the middle. So you're going to start with your left foot and rock step forward. Rock step forward just means you're going to change your weight. Okay, so left foot forward. Again, left foot forward. And if you notice, when I step with my left foot, my right foot is going to look like it's stuck on gum. Oh, I hate when that happens. And you lift it up. So you're not bringing it all the way off. It's just plastered on there, and you're bringing your foot back. But you're also not stepping like it's cold water and you're not going to commit. You need to commit to me. I'm your maestra. And you're going to left foot forward. And remember, we're in home base. You want to think of this object kind of like your home plate or your first plate. So you're thinking about stealing the base, but your foot's still on it. I guess it should go by there. Your foot's still on it, so they can't tag you out. Okay? So left foot forward. Now we're going to switch to right foot back. And the same thing here. When I step back with my right, my left foot barely comes up, but there's a nice little motion there for it to move, okay? So it's right foot back. So the count together, the step together is left foot forward, right foot back. Left foot forward, right foot back. Now we are going to try this to music. Are you staying up with me? I know, we always start super slow, and then when the salsa band starts playing or the DJ plays, you're like, what happened? This is way faster. The best thing you can do is practice the basic over and over and over again. This is your foundation. You cannot add your hands, so I wouldn't recommend adding your hands until you can talk and dance on time with this song. You can find the song on YouTube. It's just called the Salsa County song. I'm going to change my angle. Left foot forward, right foot back. The smaller your step, the better it will be. Also, if you notice, you want to place your foot when you dance in almost a duck pose, okay? So it's flared out just a little bit, so no pigeon toed. That'd be very weird, bad, bad, bad. Flare your foot out. Also, ladies, for a little bit of styling, you want to take away the space between your legs. walking a tightrope. Very nice. I'm going to do 2 more, and then I think you have it. At any time, you can always come back to this video and practice your salsa basic. Well, that was fun. I know that's just a little taste of salsa, but don't worry, we're going to spice it up later. Make sure to check out La Maestra 805 Salsa for any other videos, and we'll have many more tutorials coming your way soon. Thank you guys. Have a great day.